today, we get to sand drywall. And after we sand drywall, we get to prime and paint. So, follow along as we do that. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Finished sanding. Two problems I always see other people who are doing drywall, homeowners, semi-professionals, professionals. They don't carry around a light. Doesn't have to be an expensive light, but a cheap light or any light. That way it'll cast shadows on imperfections. You don't want to shine the light directly at the drywall because then you'll get rid of all the shadows. But if you kind of adjust the angle, then you'll be able to see shadows and imperfections. Another thing, they'll leave hard edges. When you finish drywall, you want to sand your edge down to a blurriness, and that's when you know you have a smooth edge. If it's not a blurry edge, then it's a hard edge. Right here, there might be some harder edges. I need to hit that with some more sand. So, two things, light and sand your hard edges down to a blur so they look blurry, and that way you know your edge is done. Time to clean up, start priming. One thing that becomes very evident after you prime something, when you prime the walls, is imperfections. So always after I prime, I go back and touch up those imperfections with drywall mud or spackle, and then sand that, prime and paint again. And then of course we're going to put 2 coats of wall paint on everything.